Welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Veetutorials. As I promised, today we'll be looking at how to trade a long trade and a short trade in this particular class. So before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do it to subscribe, like my videos, and also share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. Shall we dive into that? Let's quickly go into that. So the first thing you must do is to make your choice of coin. Okay, let's say I have made a choice of BTC. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna going to do is to choose a particular coin here. All right, is to make a choice of a particular coin here, of which I've made. I'm gonna go into trade BTC. All right, so if you choose to trade BTC, first thing we will start by trading long. Okay, so you come to this place to click on the long. If you click on this long, it will bring you to this particular interface. Okay, the whole process is very simple, but you must be attentive. You come to this place to turn this place to market, so that your trade can be executed instantly. All right, so click on the market. If you click on the market here, as I explained the other time, I explained this leverage and also isolated already. They are there in my previous videos. You can search for them, and I may definitely drop them at the descriptive section so that you can understand how it works. Coming to this place here is where you're going to go into insert your quantities. Let's say we're going to go into trade with 100 USD, right? I'm going to trade with 100 USD, but with the help of this leverage, it's going to be 1000 USD here. Okay, so we're going to trade with 1000 USD. We're gonna go into trade with 1000 USD. And in 1000 USD, how many quantity are we going to get? Maybe 0.09. Okay, if we input 0.09 of the BTC, we're going to get here. The value shows up here. You can see the value down there. You can see the value here. Okay, you can see the value over there. So the next thing you just need to do, but let's try to make this place USD and see, because I think this is not working out the way I want. Maybe I should change a coin. I should choose Dodge. Choosing Dodge. Okay, let's see, taking 1000. 1000 of this Dodge is over 228 USD here. You can see here. Okay, so the next thing I will do is to make sure I set my TP and SO, which is take profit and stop loss. All right, let's say my take profit now will be 0.25. You can see I'll make like 26 USD, and my stop loss would be 0.21. Okay, then my minus my loss, we're gonna going to be minus 17.8. You can see down here. All right, since I'm trading long, the next thing I'll just need to do is to click on long here. So if you click on long here, as always, it's going to show you the preview about this. Okay, you can see the order cost 23 USD. You can see the order value 229 because of the leverage. You can see the estimated liquidity 0.2. You can see the time in force immediately. Okay, it's going to be executed immediately. You can see my take profit and also you can see the market price. So the next you just need to do is to confirm. If you confirm this now, you see that your trade is being executed automatically, and you can see like right here it has started what? It has started reading. Okay, that started reading. Here you see the market price, here you see the entry price, here you see your size positions. Okay, this is long, this is for long, and the same thing is applicable to what? To short. You follow the same process, and you will be able to trade your short as well, and then you will make a rational profit from it. So if you find value from this very video, do not forget, give it a like, share the videos, and as well drop your comments if you do have any questions about this. So thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.